Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi. Welcome to my channel Healthy Timeline. Today I will share with you my very amazing remedy for all skin types. So let's get started. These 3 ingredients can do instant magic on your skin. It is always possible to look beautiful, and that also without help of any makeup, but for this you should take proper care of your skin. Cleaning, toning and moisturizing is a must-follow routine after every face wash to keep your skin healthy, soft and supple. Today in this post I am going to share one face pack that will give an instant glow to your skin. For this you will need Neem powder, Vitamin E capsules, aloe vera gel. Steps to follow. Take 1 spoon of neem face powder in a clean bowl. Add oil of 1 vitamin E capsule in this. Add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel in this. Mix it well. Add enough rose water to get smooth paste. Your face pack is ready. How to apply it? First, wash your face with warm water and pat dry. It will open your skin pores. Now apply this pack on your face and massage for 2-3 minutes. Now leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. Do this exercise every alternate day, and in just 3-4 application you can see a big difference yourself. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Healthy Timeline. So stay tuned. Have a good day.